Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5. For week 5, we're going to be looking at the role of monopolies. You'll notice that monopolies are a firm that is classified as a price maker. Monopolies are a firm that they only produce, they're the sole producer of a good or service. You notice that monopolies are very important, and all of us consume monopolies at one point or another. You'll notice that monopolies are looking at providing a good or service that's very important. And when we look at these good or services, utilities, you'll look at also the good or services that are essential. The government has to regulate the prices that are to be charged. Because if the governments do not regulate that, that'll create a lot of challenges because people could be taken advantage of with the higher price. So it's very important to really focus on that. So when we look at monopolies, you'll notice that they're a very important aspect in the market structure. But given the lack of competition, they're not going to be very efficient in what they do. Then concept 10 is going to be looking at the role of poverty and economic inequality. Poverty is focused on a very big challenge we're facing in our economy. You'll notice that when we look at poverty, you'll notice it's something that the government has to focus on in terms of how to fight it. And the government can fight this in many different ways. But we have to focus on how to provide some type of support to the poverty levels. When we look at inequality, that's looking at the amount of money that people earn and the growing disparity that happens as well. These are some of the concepts that we're looking at for this week. If you need any additional clarification, let me know, but I look forward to your effort.